Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI 27-inch curved gaming LCD Optix G27C5. So friend, MSI released the 27-inch gaming liquid crystal display Optix G27C5, which has a curved panel with a refresh rate of 165Hz. And friend, this LCD comes with a very immersive curved panel, 1500R anti-glare, and it has a refresh rate of 165Hz and reaction time of 1 millisecond, so you may play the game with smooth visual and no aftermang. And friend, display sync technology is compatible with Freesync Premium, and friend, it also has the night vision, which increases visibility in low light situation, anti-flicker, which lowers eye strain, and eye care features, and friend, which diminishes blue light. And friend, it is perfect for the first curved gaming liquid display due to low price. And friend, other features include maximum brightness of 250 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 3000 jam1, and a horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree. And friend, a color gamut is sRGB coverage rate 96.6%, DisplayPort coverage rate of 89.5%, and the display color is about 16.77 million colors. And friend, the input interface is outfitted with 3 HDMI 1.4B into 2 systems and 1 DisplayPort 1.2 into 1 system. And friend, the exterior measurements are 611.5 mm in width, 219.6 mm in depth, 456.6 mm in height, and friend, it comes with a weight of around 4.59 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.